Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you have a chauffeur service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, get more clients, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple website on the multi-sites platform for your chauffeur service. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we've pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video. No credit card details needed. Once you join the platform, very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, chauffeur. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region over here. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. Awesome, and look at that, it's literally done it in not even a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, completely free for you to use as well. No licensing needed. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images and you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Maybe you don't offer all these services. You want to make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Can do that. It's super simple. Don't need to know coding or be a web professional in any sort of way. Certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get cracking. I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. Let's click on the first section at the top, put in our company email address. Let's make sure that's visible on our website. So let's tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. I'll address our physical location. Maybe you don't have one, so leave it out. But if you do, pop it in over there. Customers can actually click on that address when your website's live and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. It will also help your website get onto Google search engines if you link your social media platform accounts to your multi-sites website. We have a whole video and guide about it, so make sure you watch that. For the next section, if you have a business logo, pop it in over here. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can actually make slight amendments to it on the multi-sites website. You can click on that pencil, add filters, frames, crop it, rotate it. If you're happy, click on save. On the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with multi-sites, we pre-selected the colors for you, used throughout your website. If you want to change them, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all, and there's various color palettes to choose from. For each section that you want to make changes to, click on Update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to Update Image. Over here is where you can browse your device. Otherwise, you can search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Completely free for you to use as well. If you have an Instagram account with photos of your business, you can actually connect your Instagram account now with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos without uploading them. Really convenient. Under update action is where you can change that buttons, the text, and where the buttons link to by clicking on choose link. You can even upload a PDF file with more details about your service, possibly your rates as well. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. You can find all your leads in your Mighty dashboard and you'll get notified via your registered email you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain to set it up. If you'd like to purchase a new domain, maybe you don't have one yet, just started your business, click on that green button, make your website look even more professional and trustworthy. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.